how dry needling can reset your muscles. Are your muscles constantly tight? No matter how much you stretch, massage or rest, do you feel like your body is locked up in certain areas? The problem may not be your flexibility, it may be your trigger points, and dry needling could be the solution. When muscle becomes overused or imbalanced, they form knots called trigger points. These don't just cause the pain at the source, but they can refer down to your arms, your back, also into your hips. Dry needling targets these deep, tight spots, resetting the muscle and restoring natural function. Think of it as rebooting your muscle. One twitch and it begins to heal. Dry needling is especially helpful for neck and shoulder tension, lower back stiffness, sciatica, TMJ dysfunction, sports and overuse injury, chronic pain and postural stress. Is dry needling the same as acupuncture? No, they both use fine needles, but the purpose is different. Acupuncture works on energy meridians. Dry needling is mechanical, it targets muscle dysfunction. Does it hurt? Most patient feels a quick twitch or cramp followed by noticeable relief. It's intense for a second, but worth it. How many sessions do I need? That depends on the problem. Some people feel major relief after one session. Others benefit from a few spaced sessions as a part of the rehab plan.
My back has been stiff for years. After 2 sessions of dry needling with Hamal, I finally felt what normal feels like again.
If your muscles are holding you back and nothing else has worked, it's time to try something that goes deeper. Dry needling can be the reset for your body that has been waiting for.